dirty pass there, or configured pass, undercarriage down. The airflow and also reduce drag. Powered by a 7,600 pound thrust Klimov VK1F. This is a centrifugal flow engine, different to all of the jet engines you see flying today. Axial flow, the air goes basically straight through the jet engine. Here it is spun, compressed out to the sides of a huge disc. And the incredible performance of this aircraft and the MiG-17 is down to a monumentally stupid mistake of the British government handing over its best jet, and that technology was given to them.
This technology, Pete, the Americans then had to work out how to combat this extraordinary aircraft. They managed to acquire one under a project named Have Donut, and the results were absolutely staggering. Almost every single US Navy pilot engaged lost their first dogfight against this agile aircraft, and these tests eventually revolutionised American air combat flying and birthed the legendary Top Gun fighter schools.
The first of the MiG-17s were not fitted with that afterburner, and when they were, there were issues with regard to metal technology. So instead of pumping raw fuel into the afterburner, as is the case today, they had to use ethanol because it burned cooler. Also benefited from American technology as well. The Koreans had managed to pick up a Sabre, and from that the optical gun sight and gun ranging radar were removed and reconfigured for use in the MiG-17.
You can see that beautiful piece of blue sky we've got developing to our left has allowed the aircraft to disappear up into that space earlier.
And right on cue. That is a beautiful shot. It was the principal VVS fighter of the mid to late 1950s, used extensively in Vietnam, the Middle East and in African conflicts. In Vietnam, the MiGs really acquitted themselves well against the US Air Force and US Navy fighters. They claimed 71 victories against 63 losses, but Russian sources seem to indicate 143 victories with 75 MiG-17s lost. Their principal advantage was this